The next key feature to explore is built-in Git integration, which is another powerful feature of VS Code, and it makes it easy to manage source control. We shall now switch over to Visual Studio Code for a live demo of Git integration. So over to Visual Studio Code, and this is I need to initialize my repository and then publish to GitHub. So I've got this folder, which is basically you can explore it. It is the workspace, which is GitHub extension test. This has got these 3 files, and then I click on the source control, and these two debug test.js and demo IntelliSense.js, these files were earlier used to demonstrate these features, IntelliSense and the debugging. And now I have created another file, which is basically having a function to find the medium of an array of numbers and then calling that function to log it on the console, what is the median. So let's click on initialize repository. It will initialize the repository, and we have got 3 unstaged changes. These 3 files need to be committed. For initial commit, by convention I put it as initial commit, but you can put any commit message and click on commit. Yes. Would you like to stage all your changes and commit them directly? Yes. And then publish the branch. So when you click on publish the branch button, it will say publish to GitHub private repository or the public repository. So I'll click on public. So publishing to GitHub, uploading the files on the remote repository. It will create the remote repository for me because I don't have that repository on my remote now. Click on open on GitHub, and it will give you the GitHub extension test with these 3 files. So it's all done in 3 straight steps. Okay. So first we initialize the Git repository, then we commit it with a suitable commit message, and then we publish to the branch which created the remote repository for me, and pushed the changes and synced everything.